In today's lecture, we are going to start next point in the unit first, history of pharmacy profession in relation to India related to pharmacy practice. Pharmacy practice related जी काय pharmacy profession ची history आहे. This point we will study under this. Next point, history of pharmacy practice in the India. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Stay clear.
Okay. Pharmacy practice is a discipline of pharmacy which involve developing the professional roles of pharmacist. Pharmacy practice ही एक discipline आहे pharmacy branch ची, in which it involve developing the professional role. Pharmacist चा जो काही professional role आहे, that role developed in the pharmacy practice through different departments or working in the different sectors in the pharmacy. Pharmacist चा professional role develop केला जातो pharmacy practice मध्ये. Then the scope of pharmacy practice includes more traditional roles such as compounding and dispensing of medication and modern services related to healthcare, including clinical services, reviewing medications for the safety and efficacy and providing drug information. Pharmacy practice scope मध्ये importance of the pharmacy practice, it includes traditional roles such as compounding and dispensing of medication, compounding to prepare, dispensing to distribute. Then modern services related to healthcare, healthcare च्या related ज्या medicine dispensing च्या modern services आहेत. Also this one include in the scope of pharmacy practice. Then clinical services. Clinical services means clinical pharmacy related services. And reviewing the medication for the safety and efficacy means reviewing means to check that medication, double review करना for safety and efficacy of drug. म्हणजे particular medication त्या particular patient ला particular disease साठी exact गेलेत का, that is safe supply of medication, safe dispensing of medication, and efficacy means effectiveness of this medication. This reviewing of medication is also scope of pharmacy practice. And providing the drug information, the drug च्या medication च्या related information patient ला किंवा एखाद्या individual ला देणं. This is included in the pharmacy practice. Then next, the pharmacy practice in which community pharmacy during the pre-independence era. What is era?
Yug.
Okay. Era, it is a long and distinct period of the history. इतिहासातील एक कालखंड. That is era. All of you understand era?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. History of pharmacy practice ही different era मध्ये आपल्याला study करायची आहे. So pharmacy practice in which community pharmacy during the pre-independence era was highly unregulated and there were no restriction on the practice of pharmacy in the India. Means this point is same as the why the drug inquiry committee is established, because there were no any restriction on the import and export of the drug. Like that there were before the or in the pre-independence highly unregulated and no restriction over the practice of the pharmacy. Pharmacy चे जे practices आहेत त्याच्यावरती कोणतंही restriction किंवा regulation नव्हतं. Then the practice of prescribing and dispensing was normally a function performed by doctors. Pre-independence era मध्ये dispensing of the drug or prescribing of the medication is done by the doctors. Doctors करत होते. Most doctors trained their clinic assistants to dispense the medication and assist in the compounding of medical मेडिसिनल प्रिपरेशन. मोस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्टर आपण हे प्री इंडिपेंडन्स इरा रिलेटेड बघतोय, इन विच मोस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स होते ते प्रिस्क्राईब पण करायचे मेडिकेशन आणि डिस्पेन्स पण करायचे पेशंटला. अँड ऑल्सो मोस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्टर ट्रेन्ड देअर क्लिनिकल असिस्टंट, जे त्यांचे क्लिनिकल असिस्टंट होते त्यांना डिस्पेन्सिंग ऑफ द मेडिकेशन ह्या रिलेटेड त्यांना ट्रेन करायचे आणि असिस्ट करायचे की ते मेडिकेशन कंपाऊंड करा आणि त्या पेशंटला डिस्पेन्स करा. मीन्स प्रॉपर फार्मासिस्ट होतं का प्री इंडिपेंडन्स इरामध्ये? येस और नो?
नाही.
No.
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 Functions and duties of assistants were ill defined. म्हणजे त्या प्रॉपर डिफाईन केल्या जात नव्हत्या त्या असिस्टंटच्या ड्युटी. And improperly understood. Wait for 1 minute. The functions and duties of assistants were ill-defined and improperly understood. Sound is audible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तर
Yes, ma'am.
जे डॉक्टर्स होते ते डॉक्टर्स क्लिनिकल असिस्टंट होते त्यांच्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये. त्यांना डिस्पेन्सिंग आणि कंपाऊंडिंग जे आहे मेडिकेशनचं, जे मेडिसिन्स ते प्रिस्क्राईब करणार आहे त्या रिलेटेड त्यांना ट्रेन करत होते. फर्स्टली क्लिनिकल असिस्टंटनी हॉस्पिटल क्लिनिक मेंटेन करत होता आणि ऑल्सो मेडिसिन्स रिलेटेड means both the department, hospital related and also prescription related, handled by clinical assistant. Wait for 2 minutes. Screen is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
teacher.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
clinical assistant having clinical assistant in the pre-independence era play the role in clinic and also related to medicine dispensing, that is in the pharmacy. Therefore, the functions and duties of these assistants were ill-defined, म्हणजे proper define केले जात नव्हते and also improperly understood. The initiation of, that is initiation or beginning of the pharmacy practice in the India was marked by the chemist and druggist program in the 1870 to train students to gain the skill in the pharmacy practice. म्हणजे in 1870 मध्ये chemist and the druggist program initiate केला, pharmacy practice initiate झालं. In this program there is train the student to gain the skill in the pharmacy practice. Pharmacy practice skill students na gain व्हावं, that is to achieve the skills related to pharmacy practice, students trained. A formal training of compounders was started in 1881 in Bengal. A formal training of compounder was started in 1881 in Bengal. Formal training for the compounder started in the Bengal in which year?
1881.
1881.
The B.Pharm
1881.
course at the BHU. What is BHU?
Banaras
Banaras
Hindu
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 University.
University.
was industry oriented, while that at Punjab University was oriented towards pharmacy practice. म्हणजे पंजाब युनिव्हर्सिटी मध्ये फार्मसी ओरिएंटेड, फार्मसी प्रॅक्टिस ओरिएंटेड ट्रेनिंग होतं. आणि इन BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University, B.Pharm course available and which is industry oriented, means in this course there is information given related to industry. Indian system of medicines include Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Yoga, Naturopathy, Homeopathy and Allopathy. In pre-independence era, these are the Indian systems of the medicines in which Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Yoga, Allopathy, Naturopathy and Homeopathy are included. Systems of medicines, कोग्नसी मध्ये झालाय point?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Indian system.
Ma'am.
Okay.
No,
The
ma'am.
in detail हा point आहे तुम्हाला. You have to remember in this point different Indian systems. Indian systems of different medicines in which Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Yoga, Naturopathy and Homeopathy. Then first era, history of pharmacy practice were discussed in the different era, in which first one traditional era, second scientific era, third one clinical era, then industrialization era, pharmaceutical care era. Total 5 eras, in which first one traditional era. It was a period from early 20th century. 20th century च्या early period आहे traditional era. The pharmacists were involved in the formulation, dispensing and study of medicinal properties of natural product of animal, plant and mineral origins. Means the pharmacists were involved in the formulation. Formulations means compounding of the dosage form, dispensing, distribution and study of the medicinal properties of natural product of animal, plant and mineral origin. म्हणजे फार्मासिस्ट जो फॉर्म्युलेशन बनवणार आहे, that is मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करणार आहे जे फॉर्म्युलेशन, त्याच्या रिलेटेड स्टडी ऑफ दिस मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द नॅचरल प्रोडक्ट. म्हणजे तो ड्रग कोणत्या ओरिजिन पासून ऑब्टेन केला, आयदर इट इज प्लांट, एनिमल और मिनरल ओरिजिन, देन देअर मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज म्हणजे ऍक्च्युली त्याचा यूज म्हणजे कोणत्या पर्टिक्युलर कॅटेगरी मध्ये तो ड्रग येतोय. And after their formulation and the dispensing is done by pharmacist. In addition, they were involved in conducting animal experiment. Traditional era मध्ये animal experiment conduct केले जात होते, and also systematic classification of drugs for the treatment of disease. Systemic classification of drugs for the treatment of the disease means suppose the disease is hypertension. Then systemic classification means for the hypertension category or for the hypertension antihypertensive category drugs are given. For malaria, anti-malarial drugs are given. That is systemic classification of drugs for the treatment of disease.
मॅम थोडं फास्ट
And-
होतंय, स्लो घेता का? जरा समजावून पण
Okay.
सांगा.
In addition, traditional era in which first one, it was the period from the early 20th century. 20th century च्या earlyचा period आहे. The pharmacists were involved in the formulation, dispensing, and study of medicinal properties of the natural products of animal, plant, mineral origin. The pharmacists in the traditional era involved in the formulation, dispensing, and the medicinal जो dosage form obtain केलाय त्याच्या drug related properties, medicinal properties, then their source from animal, plant, or mineral. That is origin is studied by pharmacists. In addition, they were involved in conducting animal experiment, systemic classification of drugs for the treatment of disease, particular disease condition, and for their treatment. जे drugs use केले जातात, their category separation. This is under the systemic classification of drug. Then processes of obtaining extract containing active principle from the plant using techniques for preparing the medication. Process of obtaining extract which containing active principle म्हणजे suppose एक drug घेतला कोग्नसी मध्ये तुम्ही extraction किंवा active constituent हा पण बघताल. In which एक drug असतो त्याच्यामध्ये active constituent म्हणजे chemical constituent particular suppose तुम्हाला एखाद्या drug चं name झालंय कोग्नसी मध्ये example मध्ये कोग्नसी मधल्या एखाद्या drug चं नाव सांगू शकताय?
धतुरा,
Yatura.
क्लो
इसबगुल.
क्लो कन्सिडर करा.
Isabgol.
क्लो माहिती? क्लो
Yes. लवंग.
क्लोचं
Yes.
तुम्हाला
लवंग.
कोग्नसी मध्ये yes there are many more drugs you have to study in the pharmacognosy like clove, cardamom, ipecacuanha, senna, laxative category, different category with their example. In which we consider clove. Clove माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना? What is meaning of clove in Marathi?
लवंग.
Lavang.
तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये कोग्नसीला त्याचा टीएस काढायचा असतो. मायक्रोस्कोपी वगैरे स्टडी करायची असते. एक्सेप्ट दॅट क्लोचं एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन प्रोसेस केली जाते. म्हणजे क्लो मध्ये जे केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आहेत ते केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट बाय द एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन प्रोसेस सगळे काढून घेतले जातात. इन विच ज्या केमिकलचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन त्याच्यामध्ये जास्त आहे तो केमिकल ऍक्टिव्ह इन्ग्रेडियंट झाला, मेन इन्ग्रेडियंट. म्हणजे क्लो मध्ये इथेनॉल असतं, आयसोइथेनॉल असतं, ऑइल्स असतात. आउट ऑफ दिस ऑल दी कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट इथेनॉलचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जास्त असतं. म्हणजे क्लो मध्ये ऍक्टिव्ह प्रिन्सिपल इथेनॉलच असतं. बाय एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन प्रोसेस एखाद्या ड्रग मधला आपण ऍक्टिव्ह प्रिन्सिपल किंवा ऍक्टिव्ह इन्ग्रेडियंट आयडेंटिफाय करू शकतो. इन ट्रेडिशनल इरा देर इज process of extraction, that is to obtain the active constituent or active principle from this plant by using the टेक्निक ऑफ द प्रिपेअरिंग मेडिकेशन आणि आफ्टर दॅट तो ऍक्टिव्ह प्रिन्सिपल घेऊन ऍक्टिव्ह मेडिकामेंट घेऊन मेडिकेशन प्रिपेअर केले जातात. This is about traditional era. All of you understand
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
what
teacher.
actually
Yes, ma'am.
happened in the
Yes,
traditional era?
ma'am.
Ma'am.
20th century.
Preetika, Shida, you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the traditional era.
Traditional era. It was the period from early 20th century. The pharmacists were involved in the formulation, dispensing, and the study of medical properties of natural products of animal, plant, and mineral origins. In addition, they are involved in conducting animal experiments, systematic classification of drugs from treatment of diseases, and the process of obtaining extra containing active principles from plants using techniques from preparing medication.
Okay. Monica Mitkari. Read the traditional era.
Traditional era, it was the period of early 20th century. The pharmacists were involved in the formulation, dispensing, and study of medical properties of natural product of animal, plant, and mineral origin. In addition, they were involved in conducting animal experiments, systematic classification of drug of treatment of diseases, and the process of obtaining extract containing active principle from plant using techniques for preparing medication.
Okay, this is about traditional era. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then scientific era. It began after the World War II. World War II नंतर scientific era start झाला. Then application of scientific approach to the medicine was begun during this period. Scientific approach, medicine च्या related जे scientific approach आहे, means different preparation systems किंवा different methods of preparations. They are available. Scientific approach is obtained in the scientific era. Application of scientific approach to the medicine ला scientific approach scientific era मध्ये भेटलं, which was begun during this period. ह्या period मध्ये scientific approach start झालेलं, in which pharmaceutical industries were emerged and drugs were made by pharmacists in the factories. म्हणजे pharmaceutical industries मध्ये pharmacist factories मध्ये drugs manufacture करत होते. Drugs are prepared in the pharmaceutical industries were emerged and drugs were made by pharmacists in the factories. They were involved in the scientific study of the drugs and their mechanism of action, including side effect and release the characteristic of drug from the dosage form. Means scientific era मध्ये drug च्या related in detail study आहे. तो drug च्या related in detail study scientific era पासून start झाला, and scientific era is begun after the World War II. They involve scientific study of drug, म्हणजे त्या drug ची mechanism of action काय आहे, particular category चा drug, which shows विच ऍक्शन किंवा कोणत्या सिस्टीमवर त्या ड्रगची ऍक्शन आहे, कोणत्या डिसीजवर तो ड्रग ऍक्शन देणार आहे, त्या ड्रगचे साईड इफेक्ट्स काय आहेत. देन रिलीज अ कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द ड्रग फ्रॉम द डोसेज फॉर्म. त्या ड्रगच्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ज्यावेळेस तो डोसेज फॉर्म मध्ये कन्वर्ट करतो, ऍट दॅट टाइम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द ड्रग ऑल्सो स्टडीड इन द सायंटिफिक इरा. This is about scientific era. You have to distribute history of pharmacy practice in different era and particular त्या era मध्ये म्हणजे त्या duration मध्ये what happened in the pharmacy practice ते write down करायचं within the 2 to 3 sentence. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Scientific study means you have to write mechanism of action of the drug is studied in the scientific era, then their side effect, release characteristic of the drug from the dosage form. म्हणजे ड्रग च्या डोसेज फॉर्म मध्ये झाल्यावर कोणता कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक तो रिलीज करतोय, or which characteristic shown by the drug into the dosage form. All the studies in the scientific study, that is in the scientific era.
लिहायचं मॅडम, हे राईट डाऊन करायचं.
Then next point, all of you understand scientific era.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next clinical era. Before that, Vikram Surve, are you present?
Yes, teacher.
Read the scientific era.
Scientific era it began after World War II. Application of scientific approach to medicine was begun during this period. Pharmaceutical industries were emerged and drugs were made by pharmacists in factories. They were involved in the scientific study of drugs and their mechanism of action, including side effect and release characteristic of drug from dosage forms.
Okay, then next point, clinical era. During this period, pharmacists were educated in this area, in the area of clinical pharmacy. Clinical era मध्ये हा जो period आहे, during this period, pharmacists were educated in the area of clinical pharmacy. Clinical pharmacy च्या area मध्ये pharmacist educate झालेला होता. To establish the pharmacokinetic parameter of the drug within the body over a period of time, which include absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination. Clinical era मध्ये pharmacists are educated related to clinical pharmacy and they establish pharmacokinetic parameter. In our previous lecture, we discussed about pharmacology, in which pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. Pharmacokinetic related study, it started in the clinical era. Kinetic means it is study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination. In addition, much of the significance was given to the pathophysiology to study the disease and illness and affecting the normal functions of the body. Clinical era is important one duration in which pharmacy practice मध्ये major development झाली. In this era, there is to establish the pharmacokinetic parameter म्हणजे तो ड्रग आपण एखादं मेडिसिन घेतोय त्याचं ऍब्सॉर्प्शन कसं होतंय, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट बॉडी मध्ये किती होतोय, मेटाबॉलिझम लिव्हर मध्ये कोणत्या फेजनी होतंय किंवा हाऊ टू मेटाबोलाइज दिस ड्रग. डू यू नो मेटाबॉलिझम?
Yes. Yes.
then metabolism of drug, how to occur, then elimination कसं होतं त्या ड्रगचं. All this study is started in the clinical era, means there is establishment of the pharmacokinetic parameter in clinical era, because in this era where pharmacist is educated for the area of clinical pharmacy. Then in addition, much of the significance was given to the pathophysiology to study the disease and illness affecting the normal functions of the body. Means in the clinical era, also study of significance was given. म्हणजे pathophysiology means any disease, म्हणजे एखाद्या डिसीजचा in detail study. की सपोज हार्ट एखादा डिसीज झाला तर which shows effect on, म्हणजे त्याचा इफेक्ट आपल्या बॉडीच्या कोणत्या पार्ट वरती होतोय किंवा त्या बॉडी ऑर्गन, जे ऑर्गन्स आहेत कोणत्या ऑर्गन वरती त्या डिसीजचा अफेक्ट होतोय, विच ऑर्गन इज अफेक्टेड बाय दिस डिसीज और दिस इलनेस. तर पॅथोफिजियोलॉजी मीन्स त्या डिसीजचा हाऊ टू इट ऑकर, देन इट देअर सिम्पटम्स, देन इट अफेक्ट ऑन विच ऑर्गन. That in detail study is started in the clinical era. 2 points. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means particular era मध्ये फार्मसी प्रॅक्टिसचं मॉडिफिकेशन झालंय, राईट?
Yes, ma'am.
स्टार्टिंगला काय होतं की फक्त प्लांट अॅनिमल म्हणजे त्या ड्रगचं ओरिजिन बघितलं जात होतं. फार्मासिस्ट हॅव्हिंग द इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन टू नोन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस ड्रग, देन पर्टिक्युलर डिसीज अँड फर्दर ट्रीटमेंट, म्हणजे जे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग आहेत ते होतं. सायंटिफिक इरामध्ये मॉडिफिकेशन झालं. दॅट इज ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ द सायंटिफिक इरा इज टू स्टडी द ड्रगचं मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ऍक्शन, देन साईड इफेक्ट, आणि ड्रगचं कन्व्हर्जन डोसेज फॉर्म मध्ये झाल्यावर ज्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहेत तो चेंज सायंटिफिक इरामध्ये झाला. आफ्टर दॅट क्लिनिकल इरा. In this era, pharmacokinetic parameters are established and also pathophysiology of the disease. This study is done in the clinical era, means there is modification in the pharmacy practice as per the different era. Then next one, industrialization era. In India, development of manufacturing pharmacy began in the 20th century. 20th century मध्ये manufacturing, that is compounding जे आहे मेडिसिन्सचं इज स्टार्टेड. मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मीन्स प्रिपेअर, म्हणजे मेडिकेशन प्रिपेअर करायचं started in the 20th century. It was followed by rapid mass production of medicines. म्हणजे रॅपिड मास प्रोडक्शन म्हणजे फास्टली प्रोडक्शन मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगचं होत होतं इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन इरामध्ये. रॅपिड मास fast rate मध्ये. Standardization, biologically prepared product, complex chemical synthesis and increase the use of parenteral medications were all the parts of this period. The pharmacists were the key player in the pharmaceutical industrial development in this era. म्हणजे in this era pharmacist having the key player means important role of pharmacist in the industrialization era, because pharmacist ला firstly compounding बघायचंय. After that कोणत्या डिपार्टमेंटला जातं ते मेडिसिन डोसेज फॉर्म. In our previous lecture we discussed in the industry pharmacy. Which department? Quality related department.
QC.
QC and QA. QC and QA कडे जातं. therefore in the industry म्हणजे फर्स्टली मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करायचं. मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगच्या अगोदर कोणते ऍक्टिव्ह कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असणार आहे, फॉर्म्युलेशन टेबल ऍक्च्युली, की आपण एखादी टॅबलेट प्रिपेअर करतोय तर कोणता ऍक्टिव्ह इन्ग्रेडियंट असणार आहे, देन विच एजंट्स आर ऍडेड, विच डायल्युएंट, विच स्वीटनिंग एजंट, all this information. After that manufacturing QC QA department, and all these processes or all these department pharmacist play key role. That is pharmacist where the key role key player or important role in the pharmaceutical industrial development in this era. Then standardization, biologically prepared product, complex chemical synthesis, and increased use of parental medication. Do you know parental medications? Oral and parental. What is parental? Do you know, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Parental medications means these are the medications those are given by the route other than oral route. Oral route सोडून ज्या रूटनी medications दिले जातात these are the parental medications. म्हणजे IV injections वगैरे आहेत. Injections आपण parental route नी देतो. Intramuscular route, intravenous route, intracardiac route, intra-articular route. तर all these routes, त्या route जे medications देतात, that medications are under the parenteral medications. The industrialization era मध्ये parenteral medications also develop केले. Increase the use of means manufacturing the parenteral medications. Then synthesis. Synthesis means by using two chemicals एक new product obtain करायचा असतो chemistry मध्ये मे बी तुम्हाला practicals असतील synthesis चे. Then standardization. Standardization industry मध्ये that is related to QC and QA department. Means in the industrialization era there is development or modification in the pharmacy practice, that is the pharmacist firstly you have to write it is in the India it is developed in the manufacturing pharmacy begins in the 20th century, then it was followed by rapid mass production of medicines. म्हणजे medicines production rate जो आहे तो increase झाला होता. Then standardization of this medicine, biologically prepared medicines, complex synthesis, and increased use of parenteral medications were all the parts of in this period. Industrialization era मध्ये all these processes occur झाल्या. After that the pharmacists were important role or key player in the industrialization development era. इंडस्ट्रीच्या डेव्हलपमेंट मध्ये किंवा ह्या era मध्ये pharmacistचा major role होता. Vrushali Rane, are you present? Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vrushali Rane.
Yes, ma'am.
Absent आहेत का त्या? Okay, Arpita Mane.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the industrialization era.
Yes, ma'am. Industrial era. In India, the development of manufacturing pharmacy began 20th century. It was followed by the rapid mass production of medicines. Standardization, biologically prepared products, complex chemical synthesis, and increased use of parental medications were all part of this period. The pharmacists were the key players in the pharmaceutical industrial development in this era. झालं ma'am.
Okay. Shravani Patil.
Ma'am.
Read the industrialization era.
Industrialization era. In India, development of manufacturing pharmacy began in the 20th century. It was followed by the rapid mass production of medicines, standardization of biologically prepared product, complex chemical synthesis, and the increased use of an parental medication were all part of the period. The pharmaceutics were the key players in the pharmaceutical industry development in the era.
Okay, after that, next one is pharmaceutical care era. Pharmacist care involved in the monitoring response to the therapy, educating patients, and dispensing the prescription. Pharmacists in this pharmaceutical era, pharmacists are involved in the monitoring response to the therapy. थेरपीचा रिस्पॉन्स मॉनिटर करण्यासाठी फार्मासिस्टचा रोल होता. Also educating the patients means counseling with the patient related to medicine and also dispensing the prescription. Then the beginning of this era concentrated on the research to develop the new drugs and medicines. म्हणजे फार्मास्युटिकल इरा ज्यावेळेस स्टार्ट झाला at the beginning of this era, all the concentration म्हणजे त्या पिरियड मध्ये सगळं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन रिसर्च मध्ये होतं. न्यू ड्रग डेव्हलपमेंट करायचे, न्यू मेडिसिन्स डेव्हलप करायचे, त्याच्यावर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन होतं. Then these medicines had a lot of adverse reaction of the drugs. So drug review and the monitoring resulted wherein pharmacists are extending their services. Pharmacistच्या services extend झाल्या for ज्या मेडिसिन्सला ऍडव्हर्स रिॲक्शन्स होतात किंवा ऍडव्हर्स इफेक्ट आहेत ज्या ड्रगचे, त्याचं मॉनिटरिंग करण्यासाठी, त्याचा रिव्ह्यू, रिझल्ट चेक करण्यासाठी फार्मासिस्टची जी काही सर्व्हिस आहे ती एक्सटेंड केली गेली फार्मास्युटिकल इरामध्ये. ऍज पर दिस 5 इरा फार्मसी प्रॅक्टिस मध्ये कसे चेंजेस होत गेलेत समजतात सगळ्यांना. फर्स्टली होतं का ट्रेडिशनल इरामध्ये ऍडव्हर्स रिॲक्शन रिलेटेड किंवा फार्मासिस्टनं डिस्पेन्सिंग करावं असं होतं का?
No.
म्हणजे बिफोर दी फार्मास्युटिकल इरा ज्या इरा होत्या प्रॉपर रोल फार्मासिस्टचा नव्हता. डिस्पेन्सिंग ऑफ द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन प्रॉपरली कोणत्या इरामध्ये आलंय? स्क्रीन दिसते सगळ्यांना?
Pharmaceutical care era.
Pharmaceutical.
Slowly there is increase the role of pharmacist. म्हणजे फार्मासिस्टचा जो रोल आहे तो मॉडिफाय किंवा चेंज होत गेलाय आफ्टर दी फार्मास्युटिकल इरा. Today the pharmacist play an important role in the healthcare sector because pharmacist is a part of healthcare system as they take responsibility for the patient medicine related needs. म्हणजे nowadays today's pharmacist plays the important role in the healthcare sector. Healthcare sector मध्ये pharmacistचा important role आहे as they take responsibility for the patient medicine related needs. पेशंटला ज्या मेडिसिन रिलेटेड नीड्स आहेत त्याच्या रिलेटेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फार्मासिस्टची आहे. Then in India only the supply of medicine remain the core activity of pharmacist. Center activity of the pharmacist is supply of the medicines. Most of the pharmacists in the country still hardly offer patient oriented services. Most of the pharmacists in the country still hardly offer patient oriented services means most of the countries मध्ये most of the pharmacists हे पेशंट ओरिएंटेड मीन्स पेशंट काउन्सिलिंग करायचं, त्यांच्या मेडिकेशन रिलेटेड त्यांना इन डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन द्यायची, then adverse effects, side effects of this medicine explain करायची. This is role of pharmacist. Most of the pharmacists play this role in the country. This is all about history of pharmacy practice in India, which is distributed into the 5 eras. and you have to write how the pharmacy practice is modified in the particular era. All of you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,